What?
I don't know.
Oh my god. You're funny. Hey.
Babe, what are you doing?
Why are you hiding over there? You gotta go, you're gonna get in trouble. Show some skin, baby. Ruby, baby. Come on, brother.
Look at you.
Hurry up and catch on to it, man.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
No, just chill. Just chill. Oh, shit. Do I have something on me?
You have something green.
Where my shoes at?
Breathe it out.
Rudy, what are you looking for?
That right there.
Yeah, that was my shoes.
What?
Where'd you put them?
I don't know. That's all I'm looking for.
You didn't put them in the room?
I don't think so. What the hell? Yeah. Am I supposed to be scared? I'm so scared. Ah!
Give me my ears! Give me my ears!
I swear, I think like I have something hanging from my butt.
Yeah, big mom.
What are you looking for?
I don't know, my shoes.
Where did you put them?
I don't know. Somewhere.
Here they are.
Oh yes, pinche flip flops. Bro, where'd they go? Alright, chill. Damn.
Oh baby, oh baby. Sick 'em. Watch you with Cujo. That's Cujo, everybody, right there.
Dance to the trendy dance, 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 dance.
Oh, where did I take them off then?
Maybe that's.
What the fuck? One down.
Where's the other one?
No.
Hard to find you before I run out of time, man. Where is it at, Rudy?
You're fucking
Standing there the whole time. Look at your shooter. My shooter so long,
I was
Rudy.
really looking for them, like no bullshit. Oh my god.
That's embarrassing.
And we're out.
Barry.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, brother.